My gosh. Guys, you know by now, once we start the live, let me know everything's going good. My internet is acting a little slow today, so cut me some slack if I seem to be lagging a little bit or if it might be a little blurry. Having some problems with the internet, but we're going to push on through it. And yeah, we got a lot to talk about today, so I think it's good. I think it's good. But let me know if everything's working, guys. Let me know what you think about the volatility that we're experiencing today, because if you weren't prepared for it, I guess you haven't been watching the videos. No notification today. Oh my goodness. I do not like it. What's up, bro? What's up, SD? How are you doing? What in tarnation is going on? Breakdown Bandit. We got a lot going on today, don't we? Hey, Clay, I'm holding. Good, Anthony. Steve Danger. First one in here. All right, I'll take it. Scary Red, how long you been live? I literally just went live at 3:30. So I don't know if you guys got notifications or not. Xavier, Nick said he didn't get one. And, dude, guys, I don't know what's going on with these notifications by now. It seems like YouTube doesn't want to notify people when I go live or post videos or anything like that. Christian got a notification. Good. At least some people did. Diamond Hands. Good. Nope, notification. Oh, boy. I didn't get one. I don't know how I do it. Steve, you must be incredible, man. Bored at work. Glad you went online. Good. Good afternoon. Nini Waka. Been waiting on you all day. Nick, I am here. Dave got notified. Kinsey got notified. Well, hey, at least it's notifying like 10 people, right? At least 10 people got notifications that we're going live, because today is a crazy day, no doubt. 77 down to 37, back up to 67, back down to 57. Like, what? Whipsaw Thursday. Anders, good way to look at it. Absolutely. Didn't panic. Israel, very good. I mean, guys, we're still up, what? Well over 100%, 200% from where we were at the beginning of last week. So, yeah, we're doing good. No notification. I just know when to come by your live. Kyle, glad you know when to come by the live, man. Candy is still holding. That's good. And, yeah, I don't know why they're not sending notifications out. Who the heck knows? But glad to see you. Janet, glad to see you. Absolutely. Sup, broski? What's up, Mark? Got one more on Ford. Okay, good. What's going on, Phil? AMC officially 100% of your portfolio. Walkers, you're dangerous, man. I love it. So panicked but didn't sell. All right. Hey, guys, there's nothing wrong with panicking, right? What's up? Something. Missed the rest of that. And how are these fools allowed to short WTF? About 1,500 more. Dude, Dustin, man, let them short it. I'm okay with let them short it. Let them dig that hole. I don't know anything else but to hold. Juan, you're in good company then. That's what it seems like a lot of us. What time is it? Hey, I don't know. I don't think that's going to be live. I think it's going to be like last time where they recorded a video and then he'll post it sometime this evening. And, yeah. I don't know. I was hoping for something live so we could kind of get some questions answered. But, hey, hopefully Trey asked some good questions. Ask some hard questions. Can't be giving this guy any curveballs. But hopefully he asked some hard questions and we got some good answers. Does us being on SSR help us tomorrow? Hey, Dean. Possibly, man, but the hedge funds haven't been shorting that heavily recently. So I don't know how much it's really going to help, but they haven't been shorting heavily. So if it helps, I mean, it might help a little, but I'm not putting too much weight on that helping. Yeah, like what are these shares coming from? And if there would be more dropping later. Yeah, Dab and Dan, good question. I have my idea of where they're coming from. And we'll talk about it a little bit in the live. Oh, no. All right, sweet. It actually just uploaded. So let's get this thing going here. I got some. Dude, I've been uploading this video. My Wi-Fi, guys, it's been acting nuts all afternoon. Took forever to upload this video. So let's get the settings on this thing going here. I'm sorry I'm doing this during the stream, but we'll just get it situated. Might bring it out during the stream. We will find out. All right. None of the above. Nothing controversial about this video except how to make money. You're late, Clay. Robert, dude, I'm on time, man. 3:30. You guys know by now the normal time is 3:30. Any other days I'm early. Please do not be negative in the chats. Yes, guys, do not be negative in the chat. I mean, I don't care if you call me a shill, whatever, but don't be negative about AMC. Don't be negative about anybody else in the chat. If you want to take out your negativity, take it out on me. Trust me, I can handle it, boys. I can handle it. What wallet do you guys hold your AMC crypto in? Is AMC a crypto? All right, let's turn all the good old stuff on here. Then it's got to check. Hopefully YouTube's on their game right now and it checks through this stuff quick. But all right, let's do this. And all right, let's see. Yeah, 12 minutes. We're gonna have one right in here. Let's see. All right, give me 2 seconds. Yo, bro, what's up, Irving? Hey, sorry, guys. This is going to take just 2 seconds. All right, take that off. Yeah. Ooh, no, don't give these guys a free preview. They got to go watch the video. Okay, yeah, that seems good to me. All right, we'll get one more in there. All right, that looks like a good place to me. All right, we'll continue with that, save that, and then let YouTube do all of their beautiful checks. Hopefully it doesn't take very long, and then we can go from there. What's up, Jer Shaw? How are you doing? Guys, let me know what you think. You think it's a good idea to release a video during a live stream? I've never done it. I've never done it. What do you guys think about that? Because while YouTube's doing their checks and making sure that I'm not doing anything bad, and Dean says, no, not a good idea. Not a good idea. Here's the thing. No. All right, well, look. Clearly, you guys are saying no. So maybe I do it right afterwards. I can ride 2 horses. That is correct. No, don't. No, bad, Clay. Okay, you guys clearly said no. Here's the deal, though. I don't know what time Trey is releasing that video tonight with Adam Aaron. So, because I know for a fact if I release it at the same time as that, nobody's going to watch this video and everybody's going to watch the interview with Adam Aaron because I'll be watching that interview myself. So 6 p.m. All right, here's the deal. We will probably go until about 5:30, 5:30-ish in the live stream. And then, dude, guys, 5:30, we're probably going to have to release this video. So if you guys want to go at 5:30 and watch the video, yeah, because we're not releasing at the same time as that interview, or that'll be bad news. Sorry about that. So, YouTube's doing their checks. Good news on that. That's acceptable. Yeah, we'll get that out at like 5:30 then. Give you guys a minute to watch the video on what I made today. And then, yeah, we'll all go over and watch that interview. What video? Ooh, what video? Are you talking about the video with Adam Aaron, or are you talking about the video that I did today? Man, Clay, I'm super darn nervous after today. Diamonds everywhere. Hopefully the video I post later will not make you nervous anymore. Luca is the man. He's not selling until he sees $1,000 in his account. No, he's talking about $1,000 per share. OnlyFans video? Incorrect. That will not be released today. Let's see. Video title for today? What is the video title for today? Video title for today. AMC puts an additional 11.55 million AMC stock up for sales. Typo. Thank you for making me look at that. Up for sale. Now the squeeze is up to us. Why would your video make us nervous? Lonnie, all my videos make you guys nervous, man. Everybody always seems to get nervous with my videos. Up for sale. Up for sales does not make sense. So thank you very much for asking what the title of that what the title of that video was, because there was a typo in there. I appreciate that. Whoever asked, Carlos, might have been you. I'm not sure. Thank you for asking. We got that. Sales doesn't make sense. We're always nervous. Yeah, Scott. I feel like everybody lives on edge when I start talking. Everybody's like, "What is this dude gonna say? Is he gonna tick me off today, or is he gonna make me hold this stock and make me money? Which one is he gonna go with?" Whoa, Slacktavis IE, thank you for the super chat. Thanks for all the info, bro. Slacktavis, thank you very much, man. We got some more info coming out right after this live stream, so make sure you check that video out. If you don't have the notifications turned on, turn them on. They probably don't work anyway, but turn them on because it's game on. It's in our hands now, guys. Short squeeze is in our hands, okay? AMC's, they got nothing up their sleeve unless you give it to them. Question is, who do you want to see make money? You, me, or AMC? Hopefully answer you and me, because that's who I answer. You're the only guy that can call my diamond hands when they want to become paper. Domingo. Good deal, man. Good deal. I don't know if I have that effect on everybody, but dude, I want to make some money. I hope you want to make some money too. Ends around 5 p.m. You are correct. Nick F. Video coming out right after live. Ends around 5 p.m. Possibly 5:30. Okay, we'll see what's going on with the live stream here. We'll see what's going on with AMC post-market, after hours a little bit. If it's good, if it's bad. Whatever's happening today was volatile, guys. And I know all of you are still holding. At least I hope all of you are still holding. Because we know AMC's not holding anymore. They sold out, man. They sold out. Clay Brosif, what's stopping Adam Aaron from doing an offering every time this spikes? He's going to ruin the spike. Matthew Callahan, you are exactly right. You want to know what's stopping him right now? He has no shares left. That's what's stopping him right now. We're going to go into detail in the video, all right? So definitely check the video out after the live. But, dude, it is up to us now. AMC, they sold everything they got. Now it's up to us. And I'm super stoked about it. All right. I was nervous at first. This morning, I'm thinking, this dude, every time we catch a break, every time we go higher, this dude's throwing more shares out there and just taking advantage of it, dropping the share price back down. But guess what? Silver lining is you don't have any shares left. Saif Raymond, thank you very much for the super chat. Saif, if you've got something that you would like to say, it did not come over in the super chat, please make sure I'm keeping my eye out for you. And let me know, man. Has the squeeze happened yet? Candy, squeeze has not happened yet. Do not be worried about that. Squeeze soon or squeeze in September? I don't know about some. What's going on with September? Why do you think it's September now? I don't want to say September. I don't even know what's going on with that. Unless you're just guessing. Lou hates Adam Aaron. Hey, I don't hate Adam Aaron, but dude, I'm not on board with the stuff that he's doing for the short squeeze. I mean, hey, I don't care about the fundamental value of AMC. He does. So, hey man, he's got his agenda. I got mine. Everyone's on the way. He's a sneaky suit. Dude, he's not even that sneaky. He's just a suit. Clay, this happened in April. They did the filing today. News made it sound bad. Lisa, I disagree with that. Okay? The news maybe made it sound bad, but this did not happen in April. This did happen today. It was 11.5 million shares that happened today. They were just referencing. There was a lot of misinformation put out on YouTube and Twitter and everywhere today, with a lot of people who were just reading, headlines on the prospectuses and on the 8K. It was 11.55 million new shares today. No, Phil, they were not sold back in April. What happened back in April was the fact that they just announced that they would be adding and would be issuing new shares. They definitely issued 11 million new shares today. Adam Aaron tweeted about it today. I have a picture of the tweet. Marquise, send me the picture, man. This is something that they announced that they were going to do back in April, but they did not sell these shares back in April. Hedge was able to cover it a bit after Ortex. I missed the volatility today as I smashed my phone. I've had to buy a new one. Lauren, I'm glad you missed the volatility because a lot of people are very nervous during the volatility today. So hopefully you get a nice brand new phone, maybe an S21, and you're ready to go. What was the haul for today? Because it drastically dropped in price. Stay positive, guys. Deep was great to buy more. Deep at 38.39. Z-Boy, that is correct, my man. Good to see you, man. Good to see you too, Tony. Hey, man, crazy day. Andrew, today, what are you prepared for? Because I told you guys to prepare for volatility. Jefferson Raymond James blocking short selling of AMC. Jefferson Raymond James blocking short selling of AMC. Well, dude, I don't really mind if they short sell, guys. I know that you guys don't want them to short any more positions, but I really don't mind if they short any positions of AMC. I want them to dig the hole as deep as they possibly can. What up, bro? What up, John Pollock? How are you? What happened to the recount? No recount, dude. No, there never was a recount, never will be a recount. Hate to say this, but we closing at 50 today. Lonnie, possibly, man. In the 50s, I would say. I don't know if it'll be 50 flat. but it looks like we will be closing in the 50s today. AMC bought another 587 million in new equity brought another 587 million in new equity today. A total of 1.24 billion in equity raised in May and June. This strengthens AMC and improves the balance sheet and provides flexibility. Adam Aaron tweet. Jay Jones, you are correct, man. You are correct. But here's the deal. Here's the deal. I don't want, and I know there's 414 people in here. You're late, bro. Dude, I've been here since 3:30. The normal time is 3:30. Here's the deal. I want to address that, okay? I do want to address that. Because, yes, at the end of the day, this does so many good things for AMC, okay? It does provide them with a ton of money. It does provide them with all of this flexibility. But it is bad for the short squeeze. Adam Aaron does what's, and Rocket, I see you, man. I'll get to you in 2 seconds. Adam Aaron does what is best for AMC, and he thinks what's best for AMC shareholders is a strong fundamental value of AMC. Maybe long-term shareholders, maybe all the old guys out there wanting to see some strength in AMC post-pandemic, but guys, adding additional equity is not a good thing for the short squeeze. It is not, but it's okay. They don't have any equity left. They're going to be asking for more, and I'm almost positive that Adam Aaron will announce that in his interview with Trey that is going to be posted later. They will be asking for more in this upcoming vote. I'm voting no. Rocky, thank you for the super chat. Dean Torres' Twitter game is strong. Go follow that guy. Go follow Dean on Twitter. Dean, do I follow you on Twitter yet? I don't know. I think I might follow you, but I'm not sure if I follow you. Nick is voting no. Nick F is back to Nick F. And now I'm worried that there might be 2 Nicks in here. All right, Dean, I thought I did. Good deal, man. Thank you for answering. Nick F is voting no. I'm definitely voting no. It's a different name. Okay. I wanted to make sure. We're going to get him, man. I don't know. I haven't seen anything that he says. Clay barely uses Twitter. M. James, this is correct. But look, I do use Twitter more than I use email, and I use Twitter more than I use anything else other than YouTube. It goes YouTube. I'm on YouTube all day, man. Either I'm in somebody else's live, I'm doing something on YouTube, and then Twitter, and then like normal life stuff, email, and so on. I like Aaron. He wants to do well, but I also like the company. The local AMC where I live is one of the first jobs I ever had. Very nice, Roderick. Very nice. Yeah, dude, yeah, guys, I like Adam Aaron in the sense that he is doing a great job for AMC. I don't like Adam Aaron in the sense that I want to see a short squeeze, but yeah, we'll get there. We will get there. You got MySpace? I'm pretty sure I still do have my MySpace. Not sure I remember the log. Not sure I remember. I remember the email, but I'm not sure I remember the password. I imagine I do. I could probably try to. I got my laptop right here. I probably could try to log in. Oh, speaking of MySpace, man. Oh boy, that just brought back some memories. Oh boy, what's MySpace mean? Dude, whoever brought up MySpace, you just. I started thinking of some stuff that I shouldn't be thinking about right now. That was funny. I was freaking out, but still held all. A minute with Max. Perfect. I think a lot of you guys did. Emerson, the AIM, dude. AIM. AOL Instant Messenger was my jam. Yo, Clay, bro. Everyone remember that AMC could also drop more shares at any time, as the announcement back in April was for 4x what they put for sale today. Right. TK Martin. Let's address that really quick. That's a very good question, man. Let's address that. No, they cannot. What they did back in April, the S3 filing that they filed with the SEC back in April, what that did was allow them to sell additional shares. It put on notice the fact that they could go out and raise money at any time in the future, at any amount in the future, any amount of shares in the future, to any shareholders that they wanted to. ROC, Nick F, ROC. And then immediately after, same day, on April 27th, they filed that they will be issuing 43 million shares, okay? Now, they already issued those 43 million shares. And if you guys remember back, let me know in here, who watched the previous interview with the CEO and Trey? Who watched that? Just yes or no real quick. So I don't know how, I don't have to summarize everything that they talked about in that. I just want to make sure that the majority of us probably watched that. And, okay, so we got some no's, but a lot of yeses. Who's Trey? All right, so a very brief description, or a very brief summary then, since some people didn't see it, but the majority of us did. Adam Aaron, when he had that interview with Trey, he said that they had 43 million shares available to issue to the public. And then there was an additional 20 million shares that were set aside for executive compensation packages. Now, the big story at that time was the fact that they were asking for 500 million new shares, and a lot of people didn't want diluting of the stock and so on. Space Nuke with a super chat. I buy the dip at 39, 200 shares, buy and hold. Space Nuke, man. I love it because you already doubled your money today. Not at the current price, but you did almost double your money at one point, dude. So that was a good dip to buy there. That was very good. Awesome purchase, man. So we knew that there were 43 million shares available to issue to the public. There were an additional 20 million shares available for executive compensation. Done. So there were 63 total million shares that AMC had in its stockpile, in its, he called it a toolbox, in its quiver, right? So AMC had those shares. Here's what happened. They went, and on May 13th, they announced that they had sold all 43 million shares. We know that those shares went to BlackRock and Vanguard. Okay, they sold those 43 million shares. So we thought, okay, they got nothing left now. They 43 million's gone. We're good. Well, guess what happened? Beginning of the week, 8.5 million goes to Mudrick. Today, 11.5 goes to whoever wants to buy them. They're up for sale. So now we know 8.5, 11.5, that's the 20 million shares that they had set aside for executive compensation. They're taking advantage of it in a good way for AMC. Selling those at the market at $70 a share. Wherever they were able to get rid of these shares today, very good for AMC, right? Now here's the deal. That gives them 0 shares left to dilute AMC stock. Now what's left? The vote tonight. Okay, well the interview with Trey and Adam Aaron. I don't know when it's going to come on, but they will be asking for more shares. They currently don't have any shares left to issue. So dilution is off the table at this point. We have to worry about the institutional investors selling early, sure, but nothing else can come from AMC unless you give it to them. I'm not giving them any more shares. I'm done with the shares. Is legally obligated not to care about AMC. He's obligated to strengthen and long-term value. Jay Jones, 100%, man. He has a fiduciary duty to AMC and AMC's shareholders in the sense that he needs to create long-term sustainable growth and a fundamental value of AMC. He's doing that. The short squeeze is not going to do that. So he's got a fiduciary duty to grow the value of AMC. And hey, man, although I don't like it, he's doing it, and he's doing a very good job at it. I'm beginning to dislike Aaron. He's taking advantage of the apes and only looking out for himself. He leads us. John, don't dislike him, man, because he is doing his job, right? And he's doing a very good job at it. But look, you are correct in the fact that he's not looking out for us. He's looking out for AMC. But here's the deal, man. He's got nothing left in his, as he wants to say, his quiver. He's got nothing left in his toolbox now. So the decision from now on forward is ours. And trust me when I tell you that today's dip shows the strength of retail investors. It shows the strength that we are still buying, even though they pulled their last straw out. TK Martin, awesome to know. Thank you for addressing that. TK Martin, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that, man. And absolutely, that is what these lives are about, is answering the questions that people have out there, talking about AMC, and just getting excited about how much money we will earn. Plus, the shorts still have not covered. M. James, it's just icing on the cake, man. Icing on the cake. So we got the dilution out of the way. Don't give him any more diluting shares. Don't do that. We got the dilution out of the way. And now it's up to us how long we hold. Graciela, hello, Clay. Holding shares. Do you think tomorrow will be a dip like today? Graciela, very possible. But here's what's okay with these dips that we're experiencing. We're hitting new highs and extremely high highs every day. We need to develop some support levels. And the dip was, at least we had an explanation for the dip today. At least we know what was going on. Rocket, thank you very much for the super chat. Adam Aaron could possibly offer a dividend option which could potentially cripple shorts. Rocket, 100% correct on that. But here, if you read through the filings a little bit more, Dude, I read through like 10 8Ks today and the original S3 that they filed back on April 27th. I read through all that stuff, man. I read through a ton of crap today. They say that they do not have the capital to currently offer a dividend. So unless they use some of that equity that they raised, they're not getting it from revenue and they're not getting it elsewhere. So I highly doubt they will offer a dividend at its current state unless they use the equity that they just raised. But I think they're more focused on buying up other theaters and buying up and paying down their debt. Tony Joseph, thank you very much for the super chat. This short squeeze for GameStop created a new bottom, much higher than before. So why wouldn't Adam Aaron not be for the squeeze? Tony Joseph, very good question. Here's the deal, man. The squeeze for GameStop did not create a new bottom. I don't want to say it's a false bottom that GameStop has right now, but it is still an inflated bottom compared to the fundamental value of GameStop. Yes, the market is willing to sustain GameStop, whatever it's at today, in the 200s, right? The market is willing to sustain GameStop where it was at like 150, 160 for quite a while, now in the 200s, and that's market price for the shares. If you look at the balance sheet and the revenue of GameStop, they're not there yet. They cannot sustain that price based on value. So Adam Aaron would not be for the squeeze simply because he needs to make sure that he creates sustainable growth and cleans up the balance sheet for AMC, and the short squeeze doesn't do that. Yes, it would be awesome if he had waited out a little longer and maybe watched the price go to $180, $500 before he went out and issued this additional equity, but he's looking at it in an actual value. I don't know if they're calculating it, whatever EBITDA they used. Back in the interview, he said that, yeah, if we can trade at 7 times EBITDA and our competition, our industry is trading at 4 times EBITDA, we can arbitrage that difference there and immediately make money. So that's what they're doing. They know that they're trading at inflated prices. Yeah, they know that they could have traded at extremely higher prices, but they took advantage of the price of AMC right now, and that's simple. Do you think AMC will get to 100? I do believe that, yes, AMC can get to 100. All we have to do is stick to our plan and move on. Joseph Rodriguez says, get rid of AMC. Guys, I don't think that we're going to be getting rid of AMC anytime soon. So Joseph, I'm very sorry for that, man. And Nick says no, he didn't. Did he get deleted there? I think we'll see 40 again. Irving, very possible too, guys. Look, I don't want to say that it's only up and it's only up forever. We need to test these different levels of support. And really, one of the strongest levels we have is back down at the $20 level, right? That previous high that we hit and the previous high that we tested one last time before breaking through. So it's a dangerous game, yes, when you're reaching new highs all the time. But just know, there's nothing stopping us except the stupid $69 level that all of you guys think is funny for some reason. $69 is stopping us, and beyond that, we're good to 690. I mean, I'm sure that's the next level, or 420 is probably the next level you guys are going to sell at. Rocket, thank you for the super chat. My mother always said nothing good happens past 12, after hours. But that's normally when I had the most fun. Cheers to the after hours. Well, Rocket, your mother is probably correct, man. Nothing good happens after hours. But I think Mom knows. All the fun happens after hours. And Rudy's saying 69 giggity. Rudy is probably one of the guys out there selling some shares at $69. Rudy, stop it. Stop it, man. Stop it. Be good. All right? Stockman, when did he say that? What did Stockman have to say? I missed what Stock... Do you think it was stupid of Adam Aaron to announce that people should stay away from AMC shares now? What company does he work for? Citadel, Stockman, I do not think... Here's the deal. When did he say that? Look, guys, we'll address some of the... He didn't say stay away from AMC, right? But he has said in a lot of these prospectuses that AMC is an extremely volatile stock. He didn't say that directly, right? He did say that AMC is an extremely volatile stock. It is trading at levels that are not attached to the fundamentals of the stock. And it is trading at levels much higher than the previous market cap prior to the pandemic. So, yeah, man, it's always good to warn prudent investors that they're not investing in the fundamental value of a company. Because essentially that's what investing is. If you buy a company, you want to get what you're paying for. And with AMC, you are buying a stock that's not worth $51 in the sense of intrinsic value. What you're buying when you buy AMC is the potential. You're buying a blank check. You're buying the potential for the hedge funds to pay you obscene amounts of money. Okay, 51.31. Yes, that's what we're looking at right now. At the close, 51.31. That's what I got to, Irving. Thank you very much for pointing that out. You guys are buying, I am buying the potential for hedge funds to pay me every single dollar that they have. I'm not buying a fundamental value of AMC, but we know that by now. We've been in the game for a while, and it's just a warning out there to new investors that, yeah, if you're buying AMC, you're buying something that doesn't have the intrinsic value. At least we get free popcorn. Yes, at least we get free popcorn. Thank you for that. I'd rather have a dividend, but free popcorn is good too. It generates revenue for AMC in the long term. So you think the short squeeze will still happen? Denny, man, yeah. I don't think a lot of people might be deterred from the short squeeze happening because of the sell-off today. Shorts haven't covered their positions. This was the last ditch effort for dilution that they had. It is in our hands now. If we can hold and not sell to the hedge funds, then yes, the short squeeze will happen. I'm trying to be rich. Come on, me too. Me too. Who else in here is trying to be rich? I mean, do we just want to hand AMC more money? Do we just want to hand the hedge funds more money? No. Come on now. Me. Yes. I don't want to hand these institutions any more money. Juan, me. Gregory says me. Yeah. Keem says me. I want to be rich, and AMC is going to provide that opportunity. What about Lambo? Jordan, Lambo's on you now. AMC can't do nothing to stop you. We got to get through the clay. Bro, JT Wisco. Me, Herbie. Yeah, guys, I'm glad. Queen Bee says her. Good. We're not giving the institutions any more money. We're not giving AMC any more money. The money, it's our time now. It is our time. I don't know. That's a long hashtag, but it's our time, guys. Don't be afraid of the grind, y'all. Dean, excellent, man. If you guys get scared on days like today, I don't know. It's okay to be scared, but it's also okay to be courageous. And it's also okay to move forward knowing that we've got your back, that we're here holding, we're in this together, and we're going to make something happen. Look, we can hold out much longer than AMC did. They closed at 70, so we're going beyond that. Droman 80, thank you for the super chat. Straight up is not healthy, is healthy. This is healthy. We are bullish. I don't know what the straight up is not healthy was, but yes, this is healthy, guys. We are going to make some money. Droman, you are on it, man. We're going to make some money on this short squeeze. That's right, Clay, bro. Who else bought at the dip today besides me? AMC, this is the way. Who else bought at the dip, guys? I know we had the one guy in here that said he bought at 39, added, I think, 200 shares to his portfolio. That's exactly what this was. It's a dip. The market's trying to find a price for AMC right now. And it's healthy when you find a price, man. It is healthy when you find a price for this stock. When it's reaching new highs and has no resistance, when it has no support, you need to find it. And it's finding support around $50 right now. Jark Maxon, thank you very much for the super chat. Let's see what Jark's got to say. A friend texted me that investing banking company Jeffrey suspended short sells on GameStop, AMC, and Microvision. Can you tell us what this means? I can't speak directly on that, but I did see some of the stuff going out today that because of the dip in price that they were suspending short sales on a lot of these shares, and especially on AMC. I can't speak to the other ones. I didn't see anything directly on that, but that they would be suspending short sales because of the drop in price today. Now, it's a temporary suspension, but a lot of people were asking if I think this is going to be crucial to bust up higher. Not necessarily, because shorts haven't been adding a very large sum day to day. It's been trickling in. So, yeah, if your faucet's trickling and you turn it off for 2 days and then turn it back on, it doesn't disrupt things that much. But, I mean, dude, I don't know. Good news. They have zero downward pressure on us. Joe, thank you very much for the super chat. Bought at $30 yesterday. Very nice, Joe. Adding to AMC only makes it go higher. I only have 32 shares, but at least it's something. Hey, at least it is something. You are correct on that one. And let's see what 1111 Mr. Simon has to say. Thank you very much for the super chat, 1111. Adam Aaron is not our friend. He hangs out with the hedge fund CEOs, doesn't care about the short squeeze because he knows after the short squeeze, people will pull their money out and AMC will go back to $10. Adam Aaron don't want it. Dude, yeah, it is correct. Adam Aaron doesn't want a short squeeze, but Adam Aaron does want fundamental growth for AMC. So I support him in that way. Don't support him in the short squeeze thing. But, you know, he's a CEO, man. He's doing what CEOs do. No doubt on that. JD Correa, thank you for the super chat. I am one of the first to be following you, Clay Bro. Keep it up and don't change your style. No plans to change the style. But, hey, I do have a question, guys. Okay, I do have a question. Legitimate. There's 730 people in here who probably know more than I do about Streamlabs. So you know by now that I stream on my cell phone. I've got Streamlabs downloaded, but currently streaming strictly through YouTube. Does anybody know if it's possible, or maybe you could hit me up on Twitter and help me out, how to get maybe a graph or something, or just the price of AMC going on? Because I don't talk about other stocks at this point, but if we could just get a graph or something on the screen through the phone. I have Streamlabs mobile, so if anybody knows how to use that pretty well, let me know. Ryan Hennihan, thank you for the super chat, Ryan. Let's see what Ryan's got to say, guys. I didn't feel great with the news, but I turned my phone off and held. Turned on to see what the offer was complete, and AMC ripped up. I hope people see that even millions sold can't stop this movement. Dude, 100%. Here's the deal, guys. If you can't stomach the volatility, it might be okay to look the other way on these volatile days. Because I'll be honest, this volatility today is nothing compared to what we will experience. All right? We dropped what? Yeah, it was about 50%, but it was only $30. $40 maybe from pre-market. For pre-market tops, I think it was 40. So it was a $40 drop. But guys, when we're trading at 400, 500, 600, you're going to see $200 drops. So get ready now. Get your plan. If you can't stomach the volatility, then do whatever you have to do. Turn your phone off for a minute. Do whatever you got to do to stay healthy. But no, we're just getting started. Rocky with another super chat. Do they, the hedge funds, know how easy it is to hold when you're up thousands to tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of dollars, which is all relative gains to the holder? Yes, Rocket, they do not. I don't think they know, man. I don't think they know. I think they drastically underestimate our ability to hold. It boggles my mind that they think we're so dumb. And yeah, they call us sheep. They call us whatever, okay? And hey, maybe, and I don't know, sheep, apes, whatever. Maybe it takes a very simple mentality to beat the hedge funds. The game is hold. The game is hold. And if we hold, we win. So, yeah, they don't think, and these other investors out there, these smart guys who might try to sell at $70 and think that that's the top. They've done their research. We're trading 10, 20 times above what AMC is actually worth. They're going to sell because they're basing their investment on something. It's very simple, guys. It is very simple. And yeah, they do overestimate or underestimate, however you want to look at it, our ability. And it's going to be their downfall. I don't know if every hedge fund is going to underestimate us, but the ones that do, it's going to be their downfall. Because, guys, I'm willing to hold. I mean, shoot, I wasn't even tempted. I saw the dip today, and I wasn't tempted to sell. So I don't know. I don't know. I want to see such obscene numbers that it's like these smart guys are left dumbfounded. That's what I want to see. And I think it's going to be beautiful. All right. I was like, when do I buy? Claybro's hair. Yeah, when do you buy? When do you buy? Because every moment today offered a buying opportunity. Smarty boy. He's one of the smarty boys in here. Good. Do you think Adam Aaron will talk about the share count tonight? Smart boy, I do not think so. Here's the deal. I think he's going to talk about, this is my opinion, all right? Don't get offended by my opinion because I'm allowed to have one. I think he will push another vote for issuing additional capital in the video that he talks about tonight. I think that he's going to have a great argument. I think he's going to show, look, the dilution that we came up with over the past week, past month, it's okay. The stock price continues to rise. He's going to have a very good argument for additional capital. And please, guys, don't be fooled by that. Luca, thank you for the super chat. Bro, this CEO needs to chill on selling and let us bring this to the moon. We're the only reason why his company's alive. Luca, if I don't agree with another statement today, I completely agree with that one. He made his money. He sold 400, just in the last year and a half, guys, he sold roughly 470 million shares of AMC and raised a ton of money. Now it's our turn. He's got his money to make it through the pandemic. He's got his money to make it through this year. It's our turn now. Brett, Texas, thank you for the super chat. Anytime I got nervous today, I just reminded myself that yesterday was 50 was a milestone and an all-time high. We are still winning. Dude, we are still winning, and we are going to win. Does it even make sense to say we're going to win so much harder? But, dude, we're going to win so much harder that today is just going to be like a blip on the chart. Maybe a week or a month from now. It's going to be crazy. Fortune favors the bold. Ryan Hennihan, and we must be bold to hold AMC stock. And I know that each and every one of you are just as bold as I am. Cheech JD Sweet Blood, thank you for the super chat. Please tweet at Adam Aaron to allow shareholders to vote to accept Doge and other cryptocurrencies at the theaters. I think that would be incredible. I do not know if he's on board with Doge or not. But at this point, I think that Adam Aaron probably will not be my friend because I don't want him to issue any more capital. So maybe some of the other YouTubers out there could have a better one. But dude, I'll tweet at that guy all day long. He don't follow me though, so I don't think he'll see it. What's an absurd number to you too? What's an absurd number to you? 1,000, 10,000, realistically. Sean, an absurd number to me, yes, is 1,000. But that doesn't mean that we can't shoot so much higher. 10,000 is absurd. 100,000 is absurd. Here's the deal, man. It's where will we all be tempted to take the stock? 69 is like a goofy number. 420 is going to be a goofy number. I know that you guys are just, you think you're funny when you're selling at those levels. But the potential is just, it's there. The potential's there. So I want to see the full potential reached. Not Jared, thank you for the super chat. Hey, question. So I didn't get a vote email. I did not get one either yet, which to me means there are so many naked shorts that it's actually crazy. I bought in at 9 when the meeting got rescheduled. Not Jair, not Jared. No, dude, I don't think that you have to worry about that yet. They have not sent those out. So look, you had to be a shareholder on record as of that date. Things settle. Things take time. If you don't get it by the end of this week, beginning of next week, I would start looking. And yeah, dude, if you don't get it by the beginning or middle of next week, I would be a little bit concerned. Maybe contact your broker or something like that. But yeah, it's not immediate. It's not the fact that, yesterday was the second. Yesterday was the second, guys, right? I don't even know now. I think yesterday was the second. Today's the third. Yeah, it's not going to be something that immediately comes out. So I wouldn't be concerned yet if you haven't gotten it. I haven't gotten it yet either. Hold, Mary Ellen. You are correct. Hold the stock and we win. Hold the stock and we make the money. Hold the stock. It's as simple as that. I know you guys, some of you guys might call yourself simple-minded, but you're in the right game then. You're on the right team because it's a very simple strategy. Hold. You don't even have to do anything. If you've already clicked buy, like you're done. Your game plan is done. We just hold now. Clay, my Kia Lamborghini will go 0 to 420 in 6.9 seconds. You got a very nice one. Your Kia Lamborghini is on lock, man. I love it. Oh, we should do something with that. I was hanging out with Matt Kors earlier this morning, watching his live. You can't say anything in Matt Kors live because he doesn't see anything. But yeah, he was rocking the Toyota Corolla, so I'm down with that. He wants a new Corolla. I'll take a new Kia Forte. We're all good. He says Lambo what? No, I'll just go Corolla. There's mother FUD spreaders everywhere. Benny, correct. But here's the deal, guys. I know 1,159 people in here. Only 245 likes, guys. Don't forget to click the like button. Let YouTube know that we're having a good time. Does the FUD actually scare you? Let me know right now. Does the FUD actually scare you? Because it doesn't scare me at all. The FUD doesn't scare me at all. It might scare the new guys, right? And I understand the tactic of scaring the new guys away. But does it scare you? Because it scares me because of the new buyer. Well, Victor, yeah, the new buyers, but I'm worried about you, man. Does it scare you? Like, are you tempted to sell because of the FUD? Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Yeah. If somebody didn't know what FUD was, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. I eat FUD and crab tendies. All right, man. No, good. Good, guys. I love to see that type of strength because the new guys, they're not on board yet. And look, we get a nice dip today, okay? If anybody in your family, if any of your friends were thinking about buying AMC, just message them this live stream right now, especially if they've got questions. All right? Share the live stream with somebody. Get some people in here because this might be a great buying opportunity, and they need to see it. Topher Alba, thank you for the super chat. FUD scares me as much as a teddy bear drinking a milkshake. To the moon. Dude, I might be a little scared if I actually saw a teddy bear come to life and drink a milkshake. That might scare me a little bit, but I get the mentality there. It's nice and cute. It's cuddly. It's got a milkshake. All good. Dennis, triple D. It's better than double D. Dennis, thank you for those super chats. Nervous about the meeting tonight, but I think this movement is historic and the retail investor count are way much higher than 3.2 million March 30 count hold. Dennis, I would probably agree with that. I think there probably are more individual shareholders now than the 3.2 million. Don't be nervous about the meeting, dude. Here's my expectations for the meeting. Just know that I'm guessing just like you are. I have no insight to what's going on here. But I would imagine we're just going to see a pitch for new shares tonight and him talking up the fact that AMC is doing extremely well now. They've issued this capital. They're in a much better position and all of that. So take that with what you will, but just know AMC, when he talks about the fundamental value of AMC and how well AMC is doing, his price point for AMC is much lower than the current $50. He doesn't care if AMC goes much higher, especially if he doesn't have no capital to issue. He has zero capital to issue right now. He does not care at all about the share price for AMC. Joey, everyone, enjoy the dips, everyone. They're delicious. Joey, the dips are delicious, man. I'm glad we could all agree on that. Jamal Jackson, thank you for the super chat. Those paper hands eating raw hot dogs over the kitchen sink. Yes, that is a great way to look at it. Guys, stop eating. If you're a paper hand and you're in here right now, stop eating raw hot dogs over the kitchen sink. Okay? Don't do that. At least warm those hot dogs up and put some ketchup, mustard, and relish on them. Victor, thank you for the super chat. I ain't scared. Think Trey will ask tough questions. Feel a little betrayed by Adam. What do you think will happen tomorrow? Victor, in all honesty, I don't think that Trey will ask tough questions because I think it's all pre-recorded, right? And I don't think that Trey is allowed to ask tough questions. So I can't hold that against Trey, man. I think that the interview was probably very well thought out by AMC's marketing team, by AMC's legal team. So, even if he does try to ask one, I think it's going to be skirted. And I can't blame Trey for that, man. I would definitely ask some tough questions and watch him squirm, but they're good, man. They know their public relations team is extremely they're extremely talented. They know what they're doing, and no, they won't let any tough questions come in, and I don't like that, but you can't do anything about it. Jerry Newfield, thank you for the super chat. I worry that too many fear stories will get out there, which would cause more people to run and sell and drive the price down. Just my thoughts. Jerry, that is their strategy. That is exactly what they want to do. So your thoughts on that, man, you were dead on. Those are great thoughts. Here's the deal. That's why people need to see the lives. That's why people need to be connected on Twitter. That's why people need to see the posts. Reddit scares me a little bit, but sure, let them watch Reddit if they want. I prefer YouTube and Twitter over Reddit, but let them get into what is actually happening with AMC. So I believe you and everybody that's tuned in, it's not gonna scare us and cause us to run away. But the new guys, yes, you are onto something with that one. Rocky, I think for this super chat, when feeling uncertain, go for a walk, work out, run, or work. Turn the lights off, or turn the lights on dim. Light some candles and shut the shades, etc. Do anything except sell. That's not financial advice. That is life advice, guys. If you need to relax, relax. However you relax, whether it is working out or getting some work done, being productive, cleaning the house, chilling out, taking a bath, whatever you need to do to relax, relax, guys. The volatility is going to be real. If you can't stomach a $30, $40 drop, how do you expect to stomach a $300, $400 drop? It's going to be difficult, isn't it? Use this as practice. Hit the like button, y'all. Thank you, Dean. D-Scuff, man. What's your take on days to cover for AMC? Days to cover is extremely low. I want to see volume at 0. I want to see days to cover at months, not days. I believe that we need to really rein in the volume before we get there. But, yeah, days to cover is way too low right now, in my opinion. Step outside. Yes, step outside, absolutely. Clay, bro, my greetings from the UK. Lee, greetings from Ohio, man. Glad you're in here. Lee, mate, you're making us look desperate. No, weird. Lee, hey, I know Lee, man. Lee's always in here. Lee's a regular, so he's all good. We need dividends, big dog. I would love to see some dividends. Here's the thing, though, man. They say that dividends aren't available at this time, so I highly doubt. Like, don't put your hope in dividends because they say that they don't have the capital for that. Adam Aaron flat out lied to his Clipper. I commented a month ago when he did this after we had huge momentum. Remember when he had interest rates up to 90% in the 43? Yes, John, absolutely, man, absolutely. I don't know if he lied to us, okay? You know, you can go back and watch the interview with Trey if you want the original interview. He's very much focused on the fundamental value of AMC, and I understand that. He's not focused on the short squeeze. We know that, and yeah, he doesn't mind. He doesn't mind. He's raising money for AMC. He's not helping us out at all. Someone on Twitter said it's turning out to be a pyramid scheme. That's definitely FUD. Well, diamond hands, man. Here's the deal. If it's only FOMO buyers, then yeah, it could be portrayed as a pyramid scheme. But it's not that. It's completely different. The hedge funds are the ones we're counting on. Yes, we need more buyers coming in. The price needs to go up, but it's not built on a pyramid scheme because of the hedge funds. There is a guaranteed buyer out there, and that's what makes it different than a pyramid scheme. So I can see how they could relate it to that, but it's not that. M. James, thank you for the super chat. M. James, I like the picture, man. I'm glad you changed that. Lots of divided strong opinions on Adam Aaron. This is the stock market's leave emotion at the door. Don't contribute to FUD. Let's see how it plays out. Yeah, man. Yeah, but at the end of the day, Adam Aaron does have to do what is good for AMC, and he's doing an excellent job at that. Rocket, thank you for the super chat. Days to cover. Meh. A little hard to estimate, in my opinion. I think when it squeezes, we see a drastic decrease in volume as long as people are prepared for the halts. Rocket, I would love to see a drastic decrease in volume because and if I had to emphasize on your theory there, I would say yes. Once the price reaches a certain amount, okay, I don't know what that amount's going to be. The FOMO buyers, the retail buyers will drop off. Retail buyers might not be willing to pay $100 for AMC. They might not be willing to pay $500 or $1,000 for AMC. I don't know where you cut that line off, but there will be a decline in FOMO buyers and retail buyers and day traders at some point. Then the hedge funds, they're the ones that have to buy the stock. So yes, there could be a drastic decrease in volume, but don't let that scare you and don't let that make you dry and sell the stock, because we need to see lower volume to show that everybody who already owns the stock is holding the stock. And when you know people are holding the stock, that is the game plan. Game, set, and match. If anybody knows about tennis, game, set, and match when people are willing to hold the stock. Interview at 6 p.m. Pacific time. Irving, you got an update on that, man? Is that what we're looking at there? Mrs. Birthday giveaway, it was fun. Christina, oh, man, you missed the birthday. Are we looking at 6 p.m. Pacific time, guys? Can anybody confirm or deny that that's when Trey will be posting his video? I don't know if that's what you were referencing or not, but if that's the case, let us know. Clay, we don't need AMC. Don't we need AMC to hold as well? Charles, excellent question. Yes, we do, but guess what? They sold everything they have now, so they have nothing. They have nothing left to hold. Okay, they've got nothing left to hold, so we don't even have to worry about them anymore. It's all us. Unless you guys vote yes and give them more shares, then you got to worry about them again. But if they don't have anything left to sell. Scared money makes no money. We're correct. Piloto, we get it, man. We get it. We hold the stock. Don't spam the chat, or you will get I don't know, you're going to get blocked or deleted or whatever. Just don't do that to let everybody get their thoughts across, and I can hopefully get to as many comments as possible. Trust me, I see some of the stuff, and I try to address everything that I can. Drew Rosine, I think of the super chat. Adam kills every momentum we gain. Kong versus Godzilla. Quiet Place 2. FOMO buyers from yesterday. Better not kill Fast and Furious 9 opening. Agree. Drew, yes. Completely agree. But now, he doesn't have anything left in his arsenal. He sold the 43 million shares. He sold an additional 20 million shares this week. Like, they're done. So unless you guys vote yes to give them more shares, then he's done. Please do not spam the chat. Yes, guys, please do not spam the chat. I have no problem, like, if you want to try and time your comments so that, like, once it looks like I'm done talking, you copy and paste your comment again so I see it. I absolutely am trying my best to answer every question that's coming across, and I will always do my best to answer every question that comes across. But yeah, just don't spam the same thing over and over, but I have no problem if you need to copy and paste your question if I miss it the first time and it's obvious that I missed it. Grandpa Ape holding and picked up 115 more today at 41 today. Ronald, very nice. Hey, we got any Grandpa Apes in here? I know the majority of viewers are between, I think, 24 and I don't know, 40 years of age. We get anybody in here like 65 plus? Anybody else? Anybody that's retired playing AMC to live a better life? How else will I profess my love for Clebro's sister if I can't spam the chat? Rocket. Pretty sure she already knows, man. Pretty sure she already knows. We got to see if she's in here and responds one day. I don't know, man. Best of luck to you. Absolutely. 32, 40, 77, 34, 63. All right, we got some older people in here. I love it. 45, 64.6. I don't know. Strong volume for 100. Yes. 95. I don't know about that, Adam. 40s. Okay, good. I love seeing the diversity of people in here, guys, because whether you're 18, FaZe, I don't know, FaZe might be the youngest if he's not lying. I believe he's 16 years old, and we definitely range from everywhere. I love seeing how many people are on board with AMC. Drew, anything less that we know? Do you really think he will address dilution in tonight's interview? Trade doesn't hit him with hard questions. Thanks. Drew, I do think he's going to address dilution, but I think he's gonna do it the exact same way he did in the first interview. I think he's gonna do it in an extremely positive light, so that you and I are potentially swayed to vote yes for more shares. He's gonna say, well, look, we issued 63 million shares over the last month, and the stock price is up tenfold over the last month. Guys, don't be duped in thinking that that's because of dilution. That's because of buyers like you and I willing to eat up these shares, but FOMO buyers jumping on. It's not because of smart dilution. He knows that the price is well above the fundamental value. And when he talks about smart dilution, he's talking about diluting to raise the actual value of AMC. What do I think about BBBY? Michael, I'm sorry. I wish I could answer that question with more conviction, but what do I think about it? I don't think much about it, man, because I don't spend much time researching any of the stuff that's going on with it. I feel much more confident talking about AMC because I spend much more time researching AMC and in the AMC communities than I would any other stock at this point. So I'm very sorry if I can't answer that super chat adequately, but I have to be honest, man. I do not know much about it, and I can't say too much about it because of that. Did y'all read this yesterday, Adam Manor? Hoping the latest cash raise will go towards buying ArcLight Cinema's Pacific Theaters location. Yeah, I do know that they want to buy up some of these theaters that have gone under, and I don't know if it's necessarily the time. In my, like, the way I run my finances, I would rather clear up my debt before I would rather go out and try to expand on something. I'd rather have a clean slate before I do that, but they got their plan, man, and they're raising the capital for it. Clay, I think that was Woo. Clay, what can you say about our price action? Woo, I can say that if you weren't prepared for this price action, you should be prepared because this is normal. This is what we're going to see. And yeah, it had a lot to do with the 11.5 million shares, but it's okay, right? It's okay. We made it through that, and we're going on. See AMC go to 100 tomorrow. Please, guys, go put some in on Farmy. Yeah, hey, Farmy, I got some Farmy too. My portfolio, I have no problem diversifying anything. Always diversify your portfolio, guys. I know a lot of people in here go 100% on AMC. You are clearly making a lot of money if you did that. It is a risky play if you go at 100% on anything, but hey, man, hats off to everybody who's making a ton of money by going in 100%. Clay, I've decided to trust everything you say. Fleming, dude, here's the deal. I trust everything I say, but that doesn't mean that you guys should trust everything I say. Because I'll tell you this right now, I don't trust anything that anybody else says. And I think that's a good quality to have. Man, I don't trust anything that anybody else says. And I don't think that you should either. So just know, I trust what I say, but that's because I've already developed my opinion. I've looked at everything out there. I've done my research, and I've been able to come up with what I believe in. So I would hope that everybody else takes the same approach. I have no problem if every single person in here tests everything that I say. And I won't say it if I don't believe strongly in it. So even if you believe differently than I do, I'm on board with that, man. I completely support that. Rocky, thank you for the super chat. Please be careful with options. Hedge funds see these numbers and know if they hit where the money's going right back into the stock. A battle inside a battle will be options plays. Love all of you. Kinda. Kinda. I take that. I like that approach. I love all you guys. Kinda. Be careful. Listen, guys. You can get burnt on options. You can make a ton of money on options. We know that they're leveraged. Please know, or if you have questions about options before playing them, please ask them. Do some research. But yeah, guys, options can be a great thing, but please know what you're doing with options before you get involved with them. Charlie McMichael, thank you for the super chat. Don't get me wrong, I love Trey. I just hope he stays firm and asks some hard questions tonight. He held back with Jordan and need to feel confident to ask them. Here's the deal, guys. Yeah, man. And Trey's a young dude. I say young dude. We got some younger dudes in here. We got some older dudes in here, right? Trey's a young dude. So, and I don't know Trey personally. I don't know his personality type. I don't know how confident he is in everything. But at the same time, you can't hold it against Trey for not asking tough questions, because I highly doubt that he's allowed to ask tough questions. And dude, I don't even think that they would ever give me an interview. They would ever give me the option to talk to Adam Aaron, because nobody likes fielding tough questions, especially if you don't like the answer they're going to give. And trust me when I tell you this, they have all of the answers prepared before Trey asks them. You know, they said, Trey, what kind of questions are you going to ask us? They'll tell them, you can ask this, this, this. You can't ask this, this, this. And then they have all of their questions prepared in advance, and it's all part of public relations. So, yeah, you won't see tough questions because they won't allow it, but that is not Trey's fault. That is just how interviews work, and they need to make AMC, they need to make Adam Aaron, they need to make these additional shares they're going to ask for, they need to make it come out in the best light as possible. So it's a marketing ploy, and please don't blame that on Trey. The dude will do his job, and Trey's a good dude, man. He is. And I can't hold it against him. He's a young guy. But, yeah, it's not as simple as he gets to ask what he wants, and then he gets the answers. Adam Aaron will answer what he wants. Jark Max, thank you for the super chat. Vote is scheduled for 7/29. What do you think the odds are the squeeze will happen before then? And can just asking for more shares affect the squeeze? Jark, yes. Just asking for more shares can affect the squeeze in a couple different ways. One, we saw what it did back in, what was it, man? The end of April, beginning of May, when we saw them asking for 500 million shares. It can definitely cause some division. It can definitely cause some problems. But here's the deal. If the hedge funds know, if the hedge funds have any glimmer of hope that there's a light at the end of the tunnel, yeah, they can hold out even longer. They'll know that, okay, AMC is trading at $150 a share right now. We can sell some other things because there's a light at the end of the tunnel. There's always that possibility out there, and we don't want that possibility to exist. On the other hand, if their shares are issued, you know, AMC does better, they can take advantage of these prices, all of that. But guys, even if we increase the fundamental value of AMC, that might bring us up to a fundamentally sound $15 per share price. Nobody wants that. Nobody wants that. We want the short squeeze, and then we can talk about issuing additional capital. Once we see the prices that we want to see, then AMC can go out and issue shares at $10, $15 a share. I have no problem with that. I have no problem with AMC going out and issuing additional capital at the fundamental value of the share. But please don't issue it before the short squeeze happens, and they will. They did it over the last month. They've done it. They will do it again. What's up with this 11 million new shares? Like father, like son, man. Check out the video that I'm going to post as soon as this live stream is over. But they issued 11 million new shares today and they raised some great capital. Tomorrow predictions. I don't have any predictions for tomorrow, but I surely hope that we see a nice bounce up. They should let Lou interview Adam. Smarty boy. I don't know if they should let Lou interview anybody personally, and I don't know if you actually believe that they should let Lou interview anybody either. Yeah, but I see that they would have some. That would be entertaining. How come no one is blaming David Port? You got me on that one, man. Smart dilution for a reason. Smart dilution to raise capital for AMC and help out their balance sheet. Lou shouldn't even interview himself. Yeah. And I know that Lou probably agrees with that too. Like, I don't think Lou would be offended by that comment. I think that he would agree that, yeah, nobody should let Lou interview anybody. I'd like to interview you. Rocket, I'd like to be interviewed, man. I think that's what this is, right? This is just a chat interview, kind of. I want to see Lou and Adam Aaron inside of an octagon. I think that would be pretty entertaining. Didn't they used to do like a celebrity boxing match or something? They should bring that back. When do you think we're going to see $100 per share? Guys, if we break through that stupid $69 level that everybody thinks is so funny, yeah, I think we could easily see $100. 74 years old, happy with my 1,185 shares. Lynn, you're doing good. You are doing good. Gap up or down tomorrow? Roy, I'm hoping for a gap up tomorrow. What do you guys think? Gap up or down? Yeah, 69. Everybody's selling at 69. Bottom line, Adam Aaron is running a business. Today's sale was for profit and future fundamentals of this company. I don't anticipate Adam Aaron messing with apes tonight. This should work out for most apes. PhD, yeah, I would agree with that. But here's the thing, man. He's going to make it sound really good. He's going to make it sound really good. And he's going to ask for additional capital. Whether he announces that tonight or he announces it, whether we first see it when our brokers send us the proxies. But yeah, he's going to ask for additional capital, and he's going to do this even if he says they're waiting until 2022. Okay, don't be fooled, guys. The hedge funds can play this game until 2022. Give Clay a like. There's a lot of people in here. Wow, we got like 1,600 people in here. You guys actually did share this live stream with your friends. Wow, I appreciate that, guys. 1,600 people. I know we can get this up to 1,600 likes. The most we've ever gotten is like yesterday, where we had 1,000 likes. So, Lauren, I thank you for pointing that out. We are doing very good on viewers, very good on likes right now. Do not forget, guys, 1,500 people in here. The average 65 people, 65% of you are not subscribed right now. So there's like 900 people in here who are not subscribed. The most subscribers I've ever walked away with from a live stream is 224. So don't forget to click the subscribe button. And if you are already subscribed, make sure to click the bell so you get the notifications. But if you do subscribe during the live stream, I'll shout you out. Just tell me you subscribe. What do we got? Say Clay, I was the dude that told you I watch your vids in the mirror backwards because of the sign I'm risen. I think it might be better backwards. Maybe ask the viewers. Well, look, here's the deal. The sign is normal during the live streams. It's backwards unless I flip it around during the videos. Subscribed yesterday, Angela, but the shirt is good during the live streams. It's backwards for me right now. So, dude, I'm just all messed up. Candy says Farmy. Yeah, guys, don't be afraid to diversify. I just subscribed, bro. The Himalayan Yeti just subscribed. Nia Walton, thank you for the $1 super chat. Hopefully you subscribed, and thank you very much for that. Who was the 20,000? Did we hit 20,000? I just subscribed from here in Sun. Thank you very much for subscribing, Donna. I appreciate that. You guys are killing it, man. We hit 20,000. Nice. I don't know who the 20... Does anybody know who the 20,000th was? That is awesome. We're going to the moon tomorrow. Random. We definitely could. 20,000 subs, guys. Thank you so much. Tom subscribed and rang the bell. Hello from Boston. Thank you very much. Just tell people to hold and don't believe in the FUD, and I'll subscribe. Hold, guys, we know the game plan is hold. Brianna just subscribed, or Brianna, sorry if I got it wrong. Subscribe from Wichita, Kansas. Thank you very much. Seamless. Just subscribed. Let's go. Styles by Navi. Thank you very much. Hit the like button. Nufo, thank you very much, guys, for all of that support. I really do appreciate it. You guys are amazing today. All right, it sounded like you said, so Lord, thank you. And I thought you just randomly started praying. Mo, yes. So Lord, thank you for the short squeeze that is about to take place in AMC and all of the money that all of us are going to get. Dude, if I randomly start praying in here, just take that as a good sign, okay? M. James just subscribed. Now I know that he is a liar because he has been in here for quite some time. If you just subscribed, M. James, dude, I'm going to get you for that one. That's why you don't get my notifications. John just subscribed from North Dakota. Thank you very much. But I did subscribe. Eastway, thank you very much for subscribing. Plattsburgh, Missouri. All right. Hold. That is the game plan, guys, and it is that simple. Michael's a 51-year-old grandpa. Dude is in AMC as a 51-year-old grandpa. Alberto subscribed. Thank you very much for Alberto. And if you guys are subscribing, make sure to turn that bell notification on too. They pushing FUD. Dude, I don't even think FUD exists anymore. Honestly, I really don't. April from Tennessee just subscribed. Clay, what's your final take on the number of synthetic shares that are unaccounted for and which we are relying on for the squeeze to work? Gonzalo, no, man, I don't think that we're relying on synthetic shares, okay? I don't think the synthetic share number is very high, and I don't rely on synthetic shares. Maybe these people who think $100,000 are relying on synthetic shares. I'm not. Did they cover shorts today? No. Shout out Clay, Akash Deep. Shout out to you. Alvin subscribed and all notifications. Thank you very much, Mandy. You're pushing FUD. Come on, man. I never push FUD. Come on. You missed me. Donna, sorry for missing you. Thank you for subscribing. Shout out to you. AMC is on sale. Absolutely. Diamond Hands. I don't want to say too many weird things on here, or YouTube might not like the content that we got, but Diamond Hands are real. It hurts to buy and hold. It don't hurt to buy and hold. Subscribe from New Jersey. Alvin, thank you very much. AMC is down deep. What are your thoughts on the stock today, my bro, Mr. Bro? Velocity. It's on sale. That's my thoughts. Subscribed a month ago. Steven, thank you for subscribing a month ago. You can subscribe again. If you didn't click the notification button, you can click that now. And that's like subscribing all over again. 10, 20,000. Dude, I know. It's just like yesterday we were pushing 10,000. You guys are absolutely amazing. I love FUD. Dude, I do kind of like the FUD too, because the FUD shows me who's actually in the game and who's not in the game. If you guys like get scared by the FUD, I don't think you're in the game. So there's no way a short is coming soon. No way a short squeeze is coming soon. Hey, we're here for the long run. Irving, thank you for the super sticker. Hey, thank you for the super sticker. Irving is the man. Thank you for that, Irving. I appreciate that so much. If you guys don't know by now, I have to mimic these super stickers that come on by because there's no chat attached to them. And the whole point of this live stream is to address the chat. And yeah, if you send a super sticker, you'll get that. Turd is back in action, calling everybody that sends a super chat out. But no, you feel media is for or against us? Trade came out on Fox, and I'm against it. I don't know what trade came out on Fox is, but I don't know what you mean by that. Here's the deal, man. I think that the media is there to promote traditional investing. And what we're doing at AMC is not traditional investing. Bought more contracts for tomorrow. Hope it gaps up. AMC Trapper, man, I hope you make some sick money on those options for tomorrow. Don't know what Candy's laughing at. Have you been swing trading? No, Dominic, I am not swing trading AMC. That is not part of the plan, man. Did you watch Trey on Fox today? Laura, unfortunately, I did not watch Trey on Fox today. I was reading so much of the old prospectuses on the 8Ks and the S3s and everything so that I can make the video that I got that's coming out after the live stream, and also so I could address questions today. So I did not see I did not see the interview on Fox. Was it good? I mean, was it good? Let us know, guys. Was it good? Is it, it was all good, right? I hope, but I don't know. Got in at 60, so hey, Jan, we'll get you on the way up, man. DHM, thank you for the super chat. Just subscribed. After dilution, AMC has 1.2 billion cash on balance sheet now. If dividends acquisition announcement tonight, this thing will be over 100. DHM, you can expect some acquisition talk, but you're not gonna hear dividend talk. You're not gonna hear dividend talk, man. They don't have the capital available, and they're not gonna use the capital that they've raised from these equity sells to give right back to the people who bought the shares. So you will probably hear acquisition talk, but you won't hear dividend talk. No, not part of the movement if you swing trading. Yeah, AMC Trapper, that is true, man. If you're swing trading AMC, yeah, you're making some decent money on the volatility, but you are not experiencing the potential that AMC truly has. AMC down a lot. Share buyback. No, they will not be buying any shares back at these prices. Trust me on that one. Apes swing from the trees, but they do not swing trade. AMC. What happens to the US dollar when we hit 100,000 and they print trillions of dollars to cover this? Yeah, that is very unlikely. Because here's the deal. If we hit $100,000 a share, not everybody is going to sell at the $100,000. So they're not going to have to print any more money. Fox News posted Trey's video, then took it down minutes later. We recorded it, though. All good. Very interesting. I don't know why they would have taken it down, but that's interesting if they did. And AMC hit 100,000. Difficult, but possible, right? Very difficult, though. Not going to be easy. Is it too late to buy AMC now? It is not too late to buy AMC as long as you are willing to hold it for the short squeeze and see the thing through. The intraday volatility, yeah. I mean, if you only want to hold it for an hour, it's too late for you to buy AMC. Do a backflip. I will not do a backflip. I could get hurt. Rocket is laughing at something. I did not see what he is laughing at, but it's always be printing money, but they're not going to be printing money for us in this scenario. Suggestions on buying more or waiting for after-hour market activity. I cannot offer suggestions on that, but hey, when you feel comfortable with the price, buy it. Don't buy AMC too late. That is incorrect. I will not stand for incorrect information being reported in here. It's down bigly after hours today. Bigly. It is down bigly, guys. I like it. What is up, Clay, bro? Red day. How do you feel? I feel just as good as I felt yesterday when we closed up 100%. How do you? Fatly. It is up bigly and fatly. What's the max that it could reach? There is no max that it can reach, Roy. There is no max, man. Anything is possible if you are willing to hold this stock. I will sell my kidney for AMC and BlackBerry. Don't sell your kidney, dude. Sell something else. I'm sure you got plenty of stuff left to sell other than your kidney. What's SSR mean? Denny, good question. I'm not exactly sure what it stands for, but I believe that is the thing that everybody's talking about, where they are no longer allowing short shares to be sold short because of the price drop. Clay, did you say 1K isn't realistic goal? If it doesn't hit at least 600, this movement would be a dud. Love, man, I didn't say that 1K is not realistic or it is realistic. I think that we could hit 1K. I do. I think that we could hit 1K. But everybody has to be willing to see it through. So no, the paper-handed people who are selling at $69 because they think it's funny are not going to see it through to $1,000. I would see it through. I know there are plenty of people in here, hopefully at least 1,400, that would be willing to see it through. But it's not going to be easy. We can do this if we hold together. Dan, that is correct. That is the game plan, and that's what we're doing. Hey, bro, game of squeeze tomorrow? Brett, man. I don't know if it'll be tomorrow, but I hope that we close in some sick options in the money. 69, yeah, 60. Lauren says 69 isn't all that. And it's not a good price to sell AMC at. So, guys, listen to Lauren on that one. I'm going to see it through. Good. I'm glad you're going to see it through because I am as well. Will the short sale restriction help? Denny, I believe it could, but I don't think it's going to be a huge help because they're not selling, they're not selling that many shares at this point in time. Or they're not shorting that many shares at this point in time, so I don't think it's going to be as drastic as a lot of people think. Adam Aaron keeps diluting and hurting us. Alan, the good news is he has no more shares left to dilute us with. So that is the good news. Don't give him any more. 69 yeah, but guys, not to sell AMC. So don't be selling AMC at 69. Just think it's funny. Short sale restriction. Okay, that's what it stands for. Thank you very much, Laura, for clearing that up. Short sale restriction, right? Not mad if it opens lower tomorrow. I love a discount. Guys, if it opens lower, if it opens higher, here's the deal. I mean, the shorts aren't covering, and that's what we're here for. How about a good old something? Missed that, send it again. Irving, I believe that was you, 138 million short shares at the moment. Ferrari boy, if that's what Vortex is saying, I hope it's correct, and that is very, very nice. Where do the shares come from? Good question, hands down. I don't know for 100% certainty, but here's the deal. We knew they sold the 43 million. We knew that they had an additional 20 million. They sold 8.5 million and 11.5 million this week. That equals the 20 million that they had set aside for executives. I think they said the good thing to do is not give executives bonuses, but let's raise $1 billion for AMC and sell these shares at $77 a piece. Rocky, I think of the super chat. Generally, I think the people that talk most about the price will be the first to sell. Stay nimble and sack up. Dude, I would agree with that. The people who talk most and are super focused on the price, especially the day-to-day movement of the price. You know, when you get so excited that it's at $70, but you know the potential is 700 or 7,000 or 70,000, it's just a step that you got to take. So, the more anxious you get about the intraday activity on the price, the more likely you're going to be to sell. When you know the potential and you hold out for the potential, then you're in the right mindset. L. Randall, thank you for the super chats. Lots of shills and rookies. First time, we were trading 26 to 36 on Tuesday. People need to chill. Stop asking for price targets. Buy, hold, go away. Buy and hold, guys. You don't have to go away. You can stay here if you want, but that is the game plan. Buy and hold and just watch what happens, because the intraday activity today, it's just a day, man. It's just volatility. Had a hunch about that. Yeah, that's what I came up with, and I think that they may have sacrificed for the betterment of AMC, but here's the deal. They will be asking for more shares. So if you don't want to see this happen again, if you don't want to keep dragging this thing out, don't give them more shares. Check out Farmy. Candy is pushing Farmy. They drive the price down and trigger lots of sell limits, compounding the pullback and making more shares available for shorts to buy. I wonder who's deciding the pay cap gains to buy back in. Israel. I mean, I don't know if they're driving the price down strictly for that, but it's a strategy if they were. So guys, don't be... I don't know, man. I can't tell you not to sell. Like, I can tell you hold all day long, but at the end of the day, I can't tell you what to do with your money. So it is up to you, but just don't be afraid of the volatility, and don't be upset when you see the stock pull back a little bit. It moves. It's alive, you know? It's us. It's us deciding where the price goes. And don't be afraid of that. Last time I took, good to know, Irving. Yes, I'm not going to advise you. Even if I could, I'm not going to advise you, because here's the deal, man. I don't want anybody advising me. So I'm not going to advise you. Feel confident that you can make the right decision for yourself. And when you can make the right decision for yourself, you are going to see wealth in your life. Absolutely. It follows it. Classic Kev, thank you for the super chat. Clay, do you want to see me in an ape costume going to AMC? Classic Kev, I would love to see you in an ape costume going to AMC. I do not know if they will let you in, but I believe that would be pretty funny. And I think that you would have a good time with that. I would have a good time with that. So yes, I want to see that. Omar Nadeem, thank you for the super chat. Hold. We all going to get a piece of that pie. No fear. Rather it drop to zero, then fold. Well, I don't want it to drop to zero, but yes, guys, please do not be afraid of some intraday price swings. Please do not be afraid. The game plan is to hold, and if you see the confidence of all of the traders in here, hopefully it helps you out a little bit. Tomorrow is looking beautiful. Mary Ellen, I'm glad you know what tomorrow looks like, because that is good news for me then. Robinhood stopped buying briefly today. I don't know if you're talking about just Robinhood, if you're talking about the halt that we saw at the beginning of the day. Halts were across the market. It's not just Robinhood. Yeah, I don't know if that's what you were talking about, but there was a halt. So I wouldn't be too concerned about that. Clay already did it. Go check it out. Classic Kev. I will. You got to. Is it on your YouTube channel, man? Guys, if Classic Kev went to AMC in a gorilla outfit, Make sure after the live stream, after you watch the video that I post immediately following the live stream, make sure to go check out Classic Kev's video of him going to AMC in a gorilla outfit. That's got to be funny. It's still live. It's still live. I'm still live. It's still live. I don't know what we were referencing about it being still live. Don't spread FUD. Hodl. Yes, that is the game. Bye. Dean Torres, I'm disappointed in you, bro. Nobody's disappointed in Dean. I don't know what Dean was saying, but don't be disappointed in Dean. Who is margining? Why aren't they calling? Or why aren't they calling the hedgies? It must be busy. They must be busy. Something seems like a Oh, Trey's video's live right now? Is that what you're saying? Oh my goodness. Is that what you guys are saying? Because I'm sure it is pre-recorded. Buy and hold. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as it gets. It really is. Here's the video of me going to AMC in an ape costume. Check it out. I don't know if you can actually post links in the chat. I don't know if it'll show up. But make sure you guys go check out his video of the ape costume afterwards. Short squeeze or not? Yes, short squeeze. Why is it going down aftermarket? If it's going down aftermarket, more people are selling than buying. Hey, Clay, can the hedge funds be a part of the vote for more shares? Yes. LO83B. If the hedge funds own Class A common stock, which some of them do, then yes, they can absolutely vote in that. It's not up, Clay, bro. Thank you very much, Dean. I appreciate that. I appreciate you clearing that up, man. Because I was wondering about that. See if them is actively working against us. Sam. That's because you believe in the short squeeze. He doesn't believe in the short squeeze. He's actively working for the fundamental shareholders of AMC. Stick at 1.5. It's all good. It's all good, guys. 1.4, but I think everybody's going to look for Trey's video, and it's not up. Don't leave the live stream to go look for his thing. It's not up. Don't leave. If you do, make sure you come back. 1,400 people in here and only 719 likes. Guys, let's go to 1,000 likes, please. Let's go to 1,000 likes. It's going to be nice and simple. And we are down to 46 after hours. It is okay. I keep buying. Stop, stop, stop. Yeah, stop. LOL, LOL. I don't know what's going on here. That is their plan to vote. Yeah, well, that is their plan. I'm sure they want more shares out there, so they will definitely plan for that. Yeah, Trey's video is not up at the moment, guys. So stop leaving. We lost 200 people going to look for Trey's video. Come on now. Hey, Clay, bro, it's Isaac from Ohio. Did you buy the dip? I did not add any shares today. I don't have much buying power left in my account, so I did not add any shares today. But, yeah, if I can get some more buying power in there, I have no problem. If I can sell some other shares, maybe I might end up doing that if we see a little bit bigger of a dip. But, no, I did not buy any shares today. How many shares do I have? Janik, you must be new to the channel because we do not discuss the amount of shares that we are holding, so that we do not influence anybody else to hold more or hold less. Did you just say go in? I can't go in at this point. Not at this point. Let's go, Clay. Let's go, Clay, all in. Jay, at this point, I cannot go all in, man. I can't do it. Maybe at a different point in the future, but I cannot go all in. I promote diversity. It's just like the fundamentals of investing is to diversify your portfolio, so I can't go against that just yet. Keep holding. I will keep doing that, though. Absolutely. Please stop worrying. Something. I don't see that one. Fundamentals. Well, the fundamentals of investing, man. You diversify. Diversify your portfolio. They say no. Fundamentals of investing. No, no, no. YOLO is what you need to focus on. And no such thing anymore. Yeah, I really don't think there's any such thing as fundamentals of investing when it comes to AMC. I believe a lot of people are YOLOing this stock. And, hey, it's working out excellently for everybody who is all in AMC. It is working out excellently. So I got nothing against those guys, but I did not go all in. Claybro, check your email. I emailed it to you. Let me see if one came across right here. Claybro83 at Gmail is where you sent it to. Dude, I do not see anything that came across here. Make sure you send it to Claybro883 at Gmail. Mary Ellen is all in. And who I'm not selling. Right above her, somebody's not selling. Good. This dude just paid $10 to be your admin. I don't know if somebody paid $10 to be my admin, but not sure about that one there. I'm pretty much all in. Pretty much. You're still diversified then, right? As long as you're pretty much all in, you're still not all in. No complaints yesterday. Stock will go down. Yeah, guys, we doubled in price yesterday, so it's okay. Can you explain what a vibration at a certain price means? What a vibration at a certain price means? No, I can't explain that because I don't understand the question. Who is on our side? Let's see. Hopefully it is. Where are you in Ohio? I am in Ohio. I do not need to be disclosing my exact location because you guys will probably try to find my house, and I don't know if that's a good idea. It is getting diluted. Loser. Dan, I don't know what you're talking about. Luke keeps calling me. Yes, he does. Keeps calling a lot of people a lot of names. I just retired from 20 years active duty, and I need the money. Let's go. Thank you very much for your service, and I hope you get all of the money. Classic Kev, yes. All right, Kev, I don't know. It didn't give me a notification for some reason. I might not be logged into that email on the tablet. I might have my personal emails on there. So I have to check it out because I'm on the phone right now, and I'm on the tablet over here, so I have to check it out right after I text it to you. I don't know what Nick texted to who, but yes, I will have to check out what Nick texted me. Somebody's in Dayton. Adel's in Dayton. Not much going on here. You seemed like a California type. Dude, trust me, I'm not a California type. Clay's too soft for Luke. Dude, I don't think I'm too soft for anybody, but thank you for thinking that I'm a nice boy. Do you know around when the hedgies start covering their shorts? I do not know when the hedgies have to start covering their shorts. Claybro is from Ohio. That is correct, Irving. I am from and live in Ohio. Adam Air doesn't want our company to go bankrupt, and we are nowhere near bankruptcy. So do not worry about going bankrupt. Has no interest in us, period. You don't have to be a data scientist to figure that one out. You are correct on that one. He has every interest in AMC. He's no soft. He's smart. Well, hey, guys. Westerville, Ohio. You are in Westerville, Ohio. You can keep guessing cities. I will not confirm or deny so that you can go through the process of elimination and so on. Florida, here we come. Somebody's going to Florida. All right. Bought $900 in shares. It was 14 shares. I don't know if what price you would have bought those out at, but hey, I'm glad you bought $900 in shares. Classic Kev with a $10 super chat. Let's see what Classic Kev has to say. Check again, buddy. Got a special message in it for you. I promise you will laugh. Dude, now I'm a little concerned. That this dude is sending special messages in the email. Just let me make sure, because I'll be honest. Okay, I do have a text from Nick here. Nick texted me the video. I'm going to double check the email real quick on here to see if I have that account logged in on this tablet, because if I don't, I won't be able to see it during the stream. And let's checking. No, dude. No, unfortunately, I do not have Claybro 883 on this tablet, so I can't see it at this time, but I will check it post live here, and I definitely know that I do have it. But then I know that Nick emailed me Nick just texted me the video right there, so I definitely will check it out afterwards. And hey, Classic Kev, man, I appreciate all the super chats as well. I will watch that video. Hopefully everybody else watches the video as well and checks that out. Turn off super chat. Stop taking apes' money. Joe, I'm not taking their money, man. They're sending it. It's difficult to see all of the chat that comes across the screen. So I will guarantee that I will answer a super chat that comes across, but it's difficult to see all of these other chats and keep up with everything. Do you think this is a dip before the squeeze like it was on GME in January? Fernando, it's a possibility, man. I can't say for sure. It's a definite possibility, but there's no way of telling. How old is Claybro? Claybro is 32 years old. My mom's from Lorain, Ohio. Very nice, Mandy. We got a lot of Ohio people in here. I think that's pretty cool. I wouldn't have expected so many Ohio people in here, but we got a lot of Ohio people. So how many short shares do we currently know exist? I believe that Ortex was showing 130 million short shares exist, and beyond that is all speculation. Beyond that is, could be synthetics if they exist. If they don't exist, then no. Birthday giveaway was last week. Check out the video. Yes, check out the video last week, guys, that we had the live stream on the birthday giveaway. It was a ton of fun, man. I'm in Mansfield, Ohio. We got a ton of Ohio people in here. It's crazy. Honestly, it is. Rocky, thank you for the super chat. He's on my payroll, Joe. Definitely not a Citadel exec. Yes, Rocket is not a Citadel executive, and it seems to be that I am on Rocket's payroll. Random, thank you very much for the vibes. Thank you very much for the vibes, man. I appreciate that super chat. And that is what we got. Good vibes in here. Good vibes all day long. Because, hey, we are still making money on AMC. Even though today was a down day, we are still making money. What are my thoughts on tomorrow's price action? My thoughts are that I hope it goes up tomorrow. Columbus, Austin, Texas. My goodness, Ohio people are crazy in here. I think like the majority of people might be Ohio. I think that YouTube might be recommending me to people in Ohio. Even aftermarket is way down. What price are we trading at right now, guys? Let me know. Because I closed the Webull to open up the email. Does that say 48 after hours? San Bernardino, California. We got a lot of people. Delaware. Yeah, man, we got a lot of people in Ohio. It's kind of crazy. Cleveland, 6% is not way down. It's not way down, but hey, it's down. It's red, right? 48.50. Yes, I thought I saw. It's extremely small on my tablet, though. Tennessee is very close to Ohio. Nick's like $4. Nick, it better not be $4. Come on now. If you got AMC for $4, man, I'll buy AMC for $4 all day long. San Fernando, California, Atlanta, Asheville, very nice. He fixed it, yes, $48. OHIO, LA in the hizzy. We got, okay, Canton, Ohio, very nice, very nice. Thoughts on the short squeeze score sitting at 99 out of 99. My thoughts are that we are ready to rumble. We are ready to go, and I am ready to go. Medina, man, Frankfurt, Germany, Memphis, Tennessee. It's like the diversity is there, but we still have a following in Ohio. England on UK, okay. Thought you were selling me 1450 shares. Not today. Not today, Nicholas. Connecticut, Mobile, Alabama, Wyoming, okay. AMC at 565. That is a very nice entry. Rocket Ship, New Zealand, Hawaii, Cincinnati, Ohio, Denmark, Jersey, Channel Islands, okay, Tibet. Wow, I was not expecting a Tibet. Houston, Northridge, California, Poland, Maryland, Sleeping Clays, Kia Forte. I hope not. You could. Tib Stars from Tibet, yes. Morocco, that's a new one. Folsom Prison, thank you for watching from prison. I appreciate that. Zamunda, I have no idea where that is at. Liverpool, United Kingdom, very nice, Lauren. New York City, Wisconsin, Valencia, California, Nashville, Tennessee. Is anybody else like in the same city as anybody else? I want to know that. Memphis, Tennessee, New York City, Santa Cruz, Cape Coral, Florida, Knoxville, Tennessee, Dallas, Indianapolis, from parts unknown. Toronto, Canada, Plano, Texas, I am. Canada, Pluto, I don't know about that one. Denver, LFC, San Diego, Philadelphia, Rutland, San Francisco, New York, the Moon, Sherwood, Oregon, San Jose, California, Detroit, Michigan, Arlington, Texas, Columbia, South Carolina, Oakland, the Moon, Marathon, Florida, Philly, Chicago, Chino Hills, California. My goodness, guys, this is like, yeah, the North Pole. All right, Santa Claus, bring us some gains. Mars, Chattanooga, Tennessee, Boston. Anthony Mile, thank you for breaking it up with a super chat. Don't let them scare you on this roller coaster ride. Don't paper hand your future, apes. Anthony Mile, excellent. Yes, do not paper hand your futures. Colombia, actual Colombia. Buenas noches. We will be Ohio and millionaires. Yeah, I think there's going to be an Ohio club following this where everybody gets together. We're going to have to start our own country club for AMC millionaires. It's going to keep going. Yeah. Corpus Christi, Texas, India, Antarctica, Searcy, Arkansas. Questions, guys? Anybody got any questions? Or you just want to tell me where you live? Southside Chicago, Stamford, Connecticut, New Hampshire. Are you able to Are you able to sell call options during the squeeze if it hits? Yeah, you should be able to. If you're gonna sell call options, you should be able to. Dangerous to sell them because you don't really know how high it's gonna go. But Portugal, seja bem-vindo, Portugal. Thoughts on BAM investor prediction? No. Phoenix, Arizona. Something. Tampa, Florida. Phoenix, Arizona. Newport Beach, California. St. Louis, Missouri. Oi! E aí? Como você está? Mansfield, Ohio. Ireland. San Antonio, Texas. Denmark. Thoughts on Roblox? I have no thoughts on Roblox. My thoughts are on AMC. Oliver, guest, lives close to me. Okay, Oliver lives close to you. Very interesting. San Jose, Darlington, South Carolina, Nepal, and Saudi Arabia, Mansfield, Ohio, all in AMC. Nice, Nylon. Dominican Republic, Cleveland, Indiana. I love how everybody's from everywhere. Glasgow. Predictions for tomorrow. I hope it goes up is my prediction. CNBC is pretty dirty. I would agree with that. Tim Neff lives close to you. Man, you're the Neffster, though. You guys might be the same person or brothers or something. Connor for Colorado. And Miller Realty. Thank you for the super chat. Thanks for always keeping us informed. Clay Bro, always remember, hedgies get wedgies. This is true. And apes get the money. The bros get the money. How long do you think it'll take them to cover 135 million shares if it were to happen tomorrow? They could do it in a day if they wanted to. I mean, you've seen the volume. It's almost as famous as the Brodel now. I don't know what's almost as famous as the Brodel, but something definitely is. Perrysburg, Ohio. Okay. We're going up. Yeah, we got a couple up bars there. I like that. Bros get dough. Yeah, bro gets the dough. Tim Neff is my dad. Okay, Neffster, Tim Neff is your dad. Very nice. I thought there might be a relation there. Spider-Man mug. Okay. Spider-Man mug is almost as famous as the water Brodel. Lexington, Kentucky. Are we still safe with AMC? Yes. Do I drink coffee? I do drink coffee, but I do not drink coffee all day long. Drink a cup in the morning, and it's good enough for me. That does it. And we are still safe with AMC if I did not answer that, yes. Who's from Darlington, South Carolina? I think we might have a few people from South Carolina. Don't know if you're from Darlington. I'm going to buy me some trucks up here in Maryland. Very good. Virginia, maybe. I used to live in Lexington, Ohio. You believe this will break wild before July. I believe it has every potential to do just that. I feel like this is the quiet before the storm, and it very well could be the quiet before the storm, guys. It very well could be. Bros get the dough. I like it, guys. And that might be another one. Sister, if you're watching, I'll have to remember it, but that could be instead of having a little like button under the bro, the shirts could say bro, and then gets the dough or something. Could be like a little motto. Adol, thank you for the super chat. Dips. We buy rips. They cry. That is correct, my friend. If you buy the dip, we will rip and they will cry. Anthony Mayo, thank you for the super chat. Opinion of the CEO interview with Trade Trades. Bullish effect, bearish effect. Yeah, you want my opinion? I have not seen it yet. Nobody's seen it yet. I believe, in my opinion, this is strictly opinion, like it, dislike it, whatever you guys want. I believe that Adam Aron will try to promote issuing additional capital and approving additional shares for AMC. Will it have a bullish effect? Will it have a bearish effect? I'm not exactly sure. He's going to make AMC sound like it is a great company, and he's going to make AMC sound extremely healthy, and he's going to be extremely bullish on AMC. I believe that, yes, he will ask for more shares. Don't be fooled by it, guys. We don't want more shares. AMC's got plenty of money now. They had their turn. Now it's our turn. It is our turn to get the money. It is our turn the institutions are done. AMC is done. Now is our time. So, keep that in mind going into the interview when we watch it tonight. But bullish or bearish, I don't know, man. I think it's going to be bullish in the fact that people are going to appreciate AMC a little bit more. I don't think it would be bearish unless they ask for a ridiculous sum of shares again, but I don't think that they're going to do that. When is the interview? I do not know when they will be posting the interview. I don't know if it's going to be, I don't think it's going to be a live interview. I think it's going to be like last time where they just post it before, or post the interview between them. Bros before hedgies. That 100% true. I'm from Ohio, too small world. Erica, almost everybody in this chat's from Ohio. It's kind of crazy. What time is the interview? I do not know, but it is currently not posted. Can I buy aftermarket? My order is, yes, you can buy aftermarket as long as you put your limit order in there. And I guess it depends on what broker you have as well. What's all that racket, Clay bro? Shelby, Ohio. I'm from New Jersey. This is turning into BS. I don't know what is. Brodacious. I'm from Ohio, too. Everybody's from Ohio. Delaware, Ohio. Everybody's from Ohio. What do you think about Nokia? Birds. Guys, there are a ton of birds in the backyard. I don't know if you can hear them. Yeah, Nick, I don't know. I don't know, man. I saw your text. You got me, man. No shorts have covered. No shorts have covered. This thing is still on. No shorts have covered, guys. I don't know. If you believe in the Ortex data, I don't know how they keep this stuff in real time because, short interest is only reported twice a month. So they have to have their sources somehow. But they were reporting, I think, 130 million short shares outstanding. So, yeah, There is definitely more shorts out there than there was before. They are not covering their short positions. They're increasing their short positions, and it means game on for us. Why is tomorrow going to be a big day? Juan, I don't know if tomorrow's going to be a big day or not. I hope it is. That's not burnt clay, bro. That's cicada. Okay, that's not birds clay, bro. That's cicada. Guys, I don't know. I see birds out there, but I like spaghetti. I love spaghetti. Absolutely. Burkina Faso. Interesting. Okay. I would not have expected any Burkina Faso people in here. How much can we trust Ortex? Sorry if that's a dumb question. Andrew, that's a good question. I don't know, man. I would assume that you can trust them, but I don't know where they get their information from, and I know that short interest is only reported twice a month. So I don't know where they're getting their real-time short interest data from. So you trust them at will. That's why I always put that little disclaimer out there that if you trust Ortex data, then that's what they're reporting. Because I don't know where they get their data from. When is Adam and Trey's interview? I do not know. It should be sometime this evening, right? I don't think he told anybody when it's going to be. If Trey wants us to vote yes for more shares, he will lose all of his followers. Here's the deal, man. Here's the deal. I know that he got swayed pretty well with Adam Aaron last time, and Adam Aaron is a very charismatic man when it comes to AMC. And, yeah, guys, I don't know. I don't know. I can't speak poorly of anybody who wants to vote yes for AMC. Because, look, in the long run, it will help AMC's fundamentals, and it will help AMC's balance sheet, but it will not help the squeeze. So I'm voting no. I don't even care how good Adam Aaron makes it sound to vote yes. It's not going to happen for me. I do not care if AMC raises any more money. I strictly want to watch AMC go to these obscenely high prices so that we can finally get this squeeze on, and that's why I'm here. After the squeeze happens, dude, after the squeeze happens, I don't care if he issues 50 billion shares and raises capital through 50 billion shares. That's like, do that, man. I don't care anything about raising additional capital post-squeeze, but dude, not pre-squeeze, man. Do we know what the share count is from the second? No, Nefster, we do not know what the share count is from the second yet. I don't know if we'll talk about it in the interview or if they're going to announce everything at the shareholder meeting. How do you vote? Very good question, Drew. You had to be a shareholder on record as of yesterday. So as long as you held shares through the close yesterday, your broker will email you some point within the next week or so. And then you will be able to vote. Just click the email, open up the link, and you will be able to vote there. Clay, you warned us about Adam and took a lot of heat. Nuke him, man. Dude, I was born for the heat, man. Yeah, I'll take a lot of heat. I'll continue to take a lot of heat. But, dude, it's just, at the end of the day, that's what it is. And I don't mind it. Still tripled your money, Garrett. I think a lot of people are doing very well. I saw some people up 700-800%. They were throwing that out yesterday. It's very nice. So I think a short squeeze is coming. Mario, yeah. I do think a short squeeze is coming. If everybody sticks to the plan, then a short squeeze is coming. Why do I keep saying coming? It is coming. Definitely voting no to more shares. Then you are on the side of the short squeeze. It's no vote for you. Then you are on the side of the short squeeze. You didn't finish your thoughts on Nokia shorts. Oh, that's probably because I don't have any thoughts on Nokia shorts. I honestly, guys, I don't know any of the numbers on any of these other companies out there. You know, I really don't. I don't want to say it's impossible. It's very difficult to stay up to date on everything and focus on something. Yeah, you might be able to spill numbers on something else. It's very difficult to stay as focused as I am on AMC if I'm looking at everything else. I'm bought, but I bought more AMC today. Gosh, man, Hamill, that was a mouthful, dude. Thanks for sending that tongue twister to me. All flood today. Hold. Guys, make sure, listen, if you're still unsure about what was going on with the 1,100 stocks that were issued today, please, I'm going to end the stream here in roughly 12 minutes. I will be posting the video right after. And I do need to say this, okay? There were a lot of videos talking about the 11.5 million shares today. And I don't want to say they were all wrong. All of them that I watched were incorrect. I believe that Matt Kors was on the right track this morning, but I did not stay in his live stream long enough to see him develop his thoughts on them. But almost every video that I watched immediately come out, they were all saying that those shares were sold in April. They were not sold in April, okay? So we go over that. All the links are going to be in the description where you can see all of the articles. And that was a new issuance of shares today. It's not something that we need to be worried about, though. We made it through that. And now Adam Aaron and AMC do not have, it's 11.55 million. I don't think I said 11,000, but if I said 11,000, I'm very sorry. I know it's 11.55 million. So, yeah, there's nothing to be worried about now. They have issued everything that they have. So if we don't give them any more shares, the game is ours. You said 11. Okay. Shirt update. Yeah, guys, shirt update. I just got all of my boxes of shirts in today, so they will be coming out. And thank you very much, hands down, for getting that. I had UPS delivered a very big package today. Stupid question. What is bullish? Lauren, that is not a stupid question at all. Bullish means that you believe the stock is going to go up. Bearish means that you believe the stock is going to go down. People use bullish and bearish, and people also use hawkish and dovish. Now, hawkish and dovish is more used when referring to the Fed, like the Federal Reserve or central banks. If they've got a hawkish tone, that means they're optimistic. If they've got a dovish tone, that means that you are pessimistic. Okay? So bullish and hawkish are good. Bearish and dovish are bad. Bullish is inferior to apish. Apish is just a completely different level. Okay? I'm up a bit on AMC, but I have poor history of holding for too long and either taking losses or taking a very small profit compared to what I had. Can you tell me something good? Crazed, man. Here, I can tell you something good. Let your winners run and cut your losers short, okay? If you're up a bit on AMC, you're in the right place. You're doing good. Yeah, we had some pullbacks, and I don't know when you got in, but yeah, let your winners run and cut your losers short. That's going to be some good advice in your trading realm, man. And I know a lot of people try to hold off, and good, Lauren. A lot of people try to hold off and let their winners rebound, but there's nothing wrong with cutting a loser short and moving on to a profitable trade. And there's bullish, bearish, and holdish. Holdish is very simple. You hold, right? I forgot in the middle there. Yeah, what pullbacks? Bullish, bearish, and holdish. So bullish thinks that the stock's going to go up. Bearish thinks the stock's going to go down. And holdish just doesn't care. You just hold the stock. So that's what we're doing at this moment. We are holding the stock. Tomorrow's your birthday, $100 AMC. Happy birthday to you. I hope we hit $100 tomorrow. Will voting email be through messaging in whatever firm we're with? Example. If trading with TOS, then I think swim, check TD Ameritrade account for very possible, Rob, that you could see it there. I don't know how you set up your account, so I don't know what email you have associated with your brokerage account. Yeah, I would definitely check your messages in your brokerage app, and I would also check your email. So check both of those. Mine has not been sent out yet. Don't be worried if you haven't got your proxy yet or anything like that. They will be coming. Don't read these articles. You know, I don't have a problem, guys. You can read the articles, but don't trust anything that you read. And don't trust anything I say either. Please question every single thing that comes out of my mouth. And then when you realize that, yeah, that makes sense, or yeah, that was true, then you're good, man. Confirm everything I say. Confirm everything anybody says. Because like I said it a couple minutes ago, I trust you. Nick, I don't trust anybody, okay? I form my own opinions after I do my research. And I would hope that you guys don't trust anybody and you form your own opinions after doing your research. Allow my videos, allow my opinion, allow my thoughts to spark your interest in something, and then, you know, fact check me. Go out. Like, if you realize that, all right, that makes sense, or yeah, that doesn't make sense. Just allow it to help you in the future. They're scared they hit us hard. We shook it off. Yes. Adam Aaron, share your thoughts on him. Terry, I think you know my thoughts on Adam Aaron by now. If you don't, Adam Aaron is doing everything that Adam Aaron needs to do for AMC. He's doing a very good job at it, but he is not doing what he needs to do for the short squeeze. I'm using Robinhood and have bought at 3 different prices. I'm supposed to sell each one separately, or do they lump all 3 transactions as one purchase when I decide to sell? It depends how many shares you go to sell. right? You can either sell all of those at one time, or you can sell them in 3, 4, 5, 50 different transactions. I don't know how many shares you have or how many you want to sell at a certain price. But yeah, you can sell them all in one transaction, or you can sell them all separately if you'd like. You're good. You're good. Got me up to date really fast. Well, thank you very much for that comment. I appreciate it. And I hope that you guys are enjoying the live stream today. We got a couple more minutes. Why is Lou such a hater? I don't know if Lou's a hater or not. I don't watch all of his videos, so I don't know everything's going. Hope Aaron doesn't say anything in the trade interview that will cause another dip. Richard, I think he's going to ask for more shares, but I don't know if that's going to cause a dip. What do you think about Sundial? I think that Sundial has potential. I know that they were up. They were doing pretty well today. I don't know what they closed at today or what they're at after hours. But, yeah, I think they were doing okay. I will sell at 25,000 or bust. Well, hey, man, if we reach 24,000, don't go all the way back down to bust, please. I think Adam is very supportive of the squeeze. If he wanted, he had issued them shares long. Issued the enough shares to clean the... If he wanted... He had issued enough shares to clean the balance sheet. Jose, yeah, I don't know. He issued all the shares he has now, so he doesn't have any more. I don't think he's supportive of the squeeze. Is it going back up tomorrow? I sure hope so. Nancy's in the chat. I've been holding for 4 months now. What about you, Clay, bro? Yeah, it's been somewhere close to that. I don't know. I haven't been keeping track of the months. It's definitely been somewhere close to that. I don't even know what month it is right now. I've been holding, just got here. What do you think the peak is? Impossible to call the peak, guys. It is impossible to call the peak. I can just say that I really want to see something above 1,000. Time is the interview. How? We do not know what time the interview is. G-Baby, Instance 801. Very nice. Hey, Clay, do you think the less we hear from Adam Aaron, the faster the squeeze? I think it depends on what we hear from Adam Aaron, man. It doesn't necessarily need to be the less we hear, the better. I think it depends on what we hear. And I don't think that it's that much of a concern to me. Dean, you're saying 5:30? He's going to release the video at 5:30? Somebody confirm that, please. Is that what Dean is saying there? Where's my chat? I'm losing my chat. Now nobody's talking to the chat. I think I might have lost everybody because I have no chat coming across the screen right now. And I don't know why. So something is going awry. And if you guys can still hear me, I am very sorry that I do not have any chat coming across the screen right now. I am going to hope that maybe I can pull up a video over here and see if we do have live chat going on. We can still see and hear you. Okay, Nick, thank you very much for letting me know that you can still see and hear me. Guys, I cannot see or hear any chat. Well, I can't hear the chat, of course. But live chat, all messages are visible. I do not know why. So, look, I'm going to pull myself up on my tablet here. And, all right, we see and hear you. We see and hear you. Everyone needs to put win it. Okay. Look, guys, it's going to be – so we only got a couple minutes on here anyway. I'm not ignoring you. I have the chat up right here, okay? I have the chat up, so I'm looking down here and reading the chat. So just to let you guys know, we be chatting. All right, as long as you guys are talking to yourselves, we're still here. We're still here. I lost it on my phone for some reason, and I have no idea why. Gregory Williams, what's up, bro? What are the results of the share count? We do not know yet. Somebody else is putting the fingers up there. Shorts have not covered yet. Shorts have not covered yet, guys. Watch the video while you wait, Clay. Okay, something about that. 6:30 Eastern Trey interview. Can anybody else confirm that at the moment? They're saying 6:30 Eastern time Trey interview. Yeah, that would be 5:30 for Trey's time. I believe is an hour behind me. Dean says yes. I don't know if you guys are confirming that. Is it 6:30 Eastern time? Blow that up if that's what it is. 5:30 Central time. Okay, very cool. Very cool. Here's the deal then. I knew that we were going to end roughly about 5:30. I'll let you guys decide since my chat's not working on here anymore and I have to keep looking down for some reason. I don't want you guys to think that I'm ignoring you or anything like that. But the video I have, I think, is 11 minutes long. And I talk a little bit about, kind of the same stuff that we did cover in this live stream, what you can expect in the interview tonight, whether or not it was a good thing or bad thing to sell the 11.5 million shares today, where you can get all of the information on those 11.5 million shares, and why it's good that AMC no longer has any shares available to issue. So we can either end here at 5:30. We can go a little longer if you guys would like, but I think it's going to be okay. Put the video up now. Yeah, I think that's what we're going to end up doing, since I don't have the chat anymore on the computer and I don't want to look like I'm ignoring everybody. Let's see. Interviews were great. Tomorrow will be awesome. Very good. I don't know if you saw their interviews. Maybe something. All right, guys. So here's the deal. We're going to end it since it's at 5:30. We've been on here for 2 hours. If you want a shout out, trust me, I'm looking at everything. I will give you a shout out as we leave. Just let me know that you subscribed today. Let me know you get your notifications turned on. Please, almost immediately, my laptop is right here. We've got no restrictions on the video. I will be posting it the moment that we get off here, okay? I will be posting it the moment we get off. So don't go anywhere. Just click on the video that I post. It will be immediate. Make sure to watch it. Make sure to share it. Make sure to like it. And then we're definitely all going to watch Trey's interview tonight at 6:30 Eastern time when he posts that and makes that thing live. I subbed today. Thank you very much. Wendy, I just subbed and turned on a notification. Jacob, thank you very much. I appreciate that. Shout out to your dog, Turk. What's up, Turk? How are you doing? Love you, man. Love you too, Jay. April... Why did it say April 1.5? You'll see that in the video tonight. I can explain it much better there than I can here as we're ending. Matt Kramer, thank you for subscribing. AMC is done. AMC is not done. Should I average up? I always think that averaging up is a good idea. I believe that averaging up is sometimes better than averaging down. So absolutely. Hello, brothers. How are you doing? Guys, that was a very small amount of shout-outs that you guys wanted there. So, look, we're very close to 1,000 likes. Let's get over 1,000 likes so YouTube knows to recommend the live stream and recommend the video to other people. We only need 13 before we get there. I appreciate everybody who clicked that like button. If you click that like button and the subscribe button and you want a shout-out, make sure to let me know before we leave. Use the link in the description below for Webull if you want to open up a Webull account. But, hey, at the end of the day, guys, if you don't want to use my link and your friend's got a Webull account, use somebody's link. It just benefits everybody. So use somebody's link, whether it's mine or your friends or somebody else's. And if you want something that says bro on it, we got a lot of bro shirts and definitely got a new shipment in today, so it's going to be good. Claybro.com. That link is in the description as well. Nancy Grace, glad you are in here. Thank you very much. Sinister subbed. Thank you very much, Sinister. I think you've subbed before, though. So glad you're in here. Glad you got that shout out. When do shorts need to cover? Any prediction? Hope the stock goes up tomorrow. Shorts don't need to cover until they get margin called. Lauren, have a good night. Thank you very much for being in here, Lauren. Thank you for watching the video. And I hope you have a wonderful night. Elliot subbed. Thank you very much. Claybro, did you sign your shirt? I did not. I'm mailing your shirt out here soon. I just got a shipment of everything in, so I will sign your shirt if you want me to. You can tell me that on Twitter to make sure. What's up, my brother? Kyle, what is up, my brother, man? You are getting in here when we're leaving. Sinister, we know you sub. Thank you very much. I'm a day one sub. Yes, Kyle, you are a day one sub, man. Absolutely. Shout out to you. We are not, Isaiah. We are not. Bought the dip. Very good. All right, guys, here's the deal. We are ending immediately. Once I end, I am going to post that video. Actually, I'm just going to post it now, okay? I'm going to post it now, and then you guys can just leave and watch it because I am leaving. So guess what? I believe the title is spell checked, and the video is published. It is public, so go watch that video. Make sure to like it real quick. Make sure to share it with somebody. And if you want to say it with me, say it with me. So until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.